Hi friends, today I would like to talk to you about gratitude. A lot of times indeed we have received gratitude, we have expected gratitude indeed in our life indeed, without which our journey in life would be incomplete. So there are some gratitudes in my life. I have received many gratitudes, but some of the gratitudes which I received in my life in the most difficult times of my life, without which, guys, I wouldn't be talking to you, talking in front of you today. So in 2009, in the year 2007 to 2009 was the most difficult phase in my life, where I had lost indeed, where my entire family was wiped out. But during the course of that period, indeed, when my mother was in Bombay, when my mother met with an accident and was in Bombay hospital, indeed, there were testing times in my life, indeed, and I thank universe indeed for helping me fulfill the needs, fulfill the last needs of my mother. So there was one occasion indeed where the cost of the medicine I could not afford indeed. So I gently told the doctor, I told my resident doctor, the doctor, I don't have money for this medicine indeed. So could you please help? I didn't expect a positive answer, but as I went indeed, the doctor called me up and told me indeed that he called the pharma company and arranged for the full weeks for the medicine for the whole week indeed. So this is one gratitude indeed, that I thank the doctor indeed, so that I could give timely medicines to my mother at that point of time. The second gratitude uh, which I want to tell you guys indeed was at the time of my marriage indeed, as I had no surviving members in my family. uh, the need to conduct your marriage, you need blessings from your elders indeed. Seeing my situation, not many people not many people volunteered to help me, but with great difficulty I found one of my relatives indeed, where they gave me their house, and the family members all participated indeed in my wedding. But the most important thing was indeed, uh, my friends, my neighbors, they all took part indeed, and this is the biggest gratitude in life. The people who were not your direct relatives came to your rescue, and indeed my marriage was conducted in my native place, Mangalore. So as I came from Mangalore to Mumbai, indeed, uh, usually my wife, when she came to my house, the first her first step to my house, friends, you needed to do a ritual indeed. But since no one was there in my house, since there was no surviving family members, my neighbor took it upon themselves indeed to do this indeed, and thus indeed, uh, and thus this ritual was completed. So I pay my biggest gratitude indeed to my neighbors, to my dear friends indeed, uh, without which I wouldn't be talking to you, friends indeed. So this is the biggest these were the biggest gratitudes in my life, which universe conspired for me. So I thank the universe indeed, and I thank these people, very important people in my life indeed, and I pay my highest gratitude, highest respects to them. Thank you, guys. This was all for today.